Okay, what we have here is what I call the tree trunk top bar beehive. I'd like to show you what we've got. At the bottom of this tree trunk, we have a screen, which is going to be giving plenty of ventilation for the beehive. Next, we have an opening here on an angle so that when it rains, the water doesn't come in and the bees can come in and out. Next, we have the top plate, and then take a look on the inside. We have it all smooth. I'm going to be using beeswax in all these crevices and sealing it up with pure beeswax. Now, this tree trunk that you're looking at was put together like you see right here. Here's a miniature version of that tree trunk. The tree trunk was split, and then the inner parts were split out so that we have a hollow space for the bees. Now, back to this one right here. We have all these spacers. This is the top bar. You can see there's a little starter wax for the honeybees to get started with. That was number 4. Number 5. For installing the bees, I use a spacer like this. I put this spacer, and later on I come and reassemble it. Put a fabric on it. Love it. There we go. These bees came from California, and they're in excellent shape, looking really good. Okay, first we got to get the feeder can out of there. Okay, now we're going to get the queen out. Look at that, they were already starting to build comb around the queen cage. There's the queen, look at her. Oh man, look at, she looks really good. Inside that cage, that queen looks very, very healthy and lively. Here, I'll brush away the attendant. Look at that. I want this queen to be released not immediately, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a marshmallow in this hole right here. We take this cork out. This cork is loaded with pheromones of that queen, so I put it in front. Let's drop it on the ground there. Now I want to get a marshmallow in there. It'll take them maybe a day or maybe 2 days to release them by eating away at that marshmallow. There we go. Now we put the queen in there. And we start pouring. And I need to release this front entrance. There we go. All right. Doing pretty good. Okay, then the next thing I put on is this queen excluder. This board too. Pretty soon the bees will be coming out of here because that's going to be the only way they can get in and out. They'll be coming in and out of this entrance. Okay, this is about an hour later, and I wanted to feed them comb honey to just give them an extra boost. And I had forgotten to put it in originally, but it's a good time an hour later to see how they're doing and see if they're getting acclimated to this tree trunk. So I'm going to take it off now and take a look inside. Externally though, I'd like to point out the bees are going in and out the entrance, and they came out of the package cage that they came in, and there's hardly any dead ones in that package cage. This was an excellent delivery. Oh yeah, this is good. The bees are going down. You can see them going down into the case. I'm going to give them this extra honeycomb here. And we can take a look, see if the queen's no, they haven't released the queen yet because the marshmallow is still in place, but they'll be eating that out, and before long the queen will be released and she can get busy taking care of business down inside that beehive. They're gone down inside and they're looking in real good shape.